How to print from laptop or PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to the settings application on your device. So you can simply use the shortcut key Window plus I to open settings. After that, from the left hand side menu, go to Bluetooth and devices. Here in Bluetooth and devices, search for printer and scanner. In printer or scanner, click on add device at the top. Now if you're able to find your printer's name in the list, then you can simply click on it and connect your device to it. If not, choose the option of add manually and a prompt will appear on your screen. There you can simply choose any one of the option of either providing the name of your printer or providing the IP address. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.